Hi guys, welcome back to another channel, to the Enris channel. Today I have my mom with me. She's gonna prepare something and I'll let her introduce herself and what she's cooking.
Hi guys, good morning. How you doing? I hope your day is going fine. Today I'll be cooking goat foot and cow foot together. Soup, right? So watch me as I go. Okay guys? You ready?
Wow.
Hi guys, welcome back. I'm doing my goat foot and my goat foot and my cow foot, and this is how I do it. I already scrape it, guys. I already scrape it, but I'm showing you how I scrape it. Okay, guys? So these already been washed and has been scraped, but I'm just showing you how I scrape it. So I scrape it here, put it in another container, and then I boil it off, like you scald it, and then you throw away that water there. So I already scraped this, but I'm just scraping it to show you how I do it, guys. All right? You scrape it like this. Scrape off the burn. Okay. I already scraped them off, right? So I'm going to put it on the stove to let it stay there and scald off. Okay, guys? So I do it like this. I'm just showing you how I do it because I already do it. How do you do it in your country? So it's goat foot, and cow foot. Okay, so look at it now, guys. Already been washed. It has already been cleaned off. So this is how I do it, guys. And I have my water over here. Should I turn off the light? My water over there. So I put it in like this, or you can throw it out like this. Okay, guys. So I let it stay there and scald. Throw away this water, and then I have my boiling water here, so I put it in. Okay, and guys, these are my food for my goat foot and cow foot soup. Okay, I have my cock soup noodle. This is a noodle I love. This is a noodle I always use. I have my scallion. I have my corn here. I have my squash, and this is a squash. Do you eat squash? I have my squash here. My piece of white yam. I don't know the name of the yam, but it's a white yam. And my corn, and my carrot, my Irish, and my chocho. Over here, guys. So my water is boiling and waiting for me. Over here, I have my flour, my cornmeal. Some people that just use the white flour to make their dumplings for their soup, but I always try to put a little cornmeal in my flour. Okay, and I have my seasoning here, ginger as usual. I love my ginger, and I have all-purpose seasoning and my salt. And I sometimes I use my, let me show you what, my pimento, and sometimes I use rosemary also and cloves. Okay, but I don't use any margarine, no butter in my soup, just natural, and my natural seasoning like my scallion and my thyme, I use them. So watch me as I go, guys. So my water is here on my cow foot, and it's almost boiling. So you can see, guys, it's boiling. So after this has boiled up and scald maybe about 5 minutes, throw away this water and put my fresh water here that is boiling up. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Welcome back, guys. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for watching my channel. This is my goat foot and my cow foot. So I scald it off and then I throw the water off, guys.
Show them.
Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Do you scald yours before you cook? So this is what I do now. I throw this water off because sometimes bacteria and germs and garbage and also there's something is in it. So you have to boil it off, guys. Get off those dirt. You can see it, guys. And I throw the cold water in it instead of the hot water. And sometimes I put the hot water, depends on what I do. See guys? So I'm washing it off. Look at it. Already washed. Right. You don't have to do it this way, but make sure that it is clean. Scrape off properly, guys. Get it? That's how I do it. That's right. And I have my stove there waiting on me. Look at it, guys. This is how I do it. Cow foot and goat foot. I put them together. Get it, guys. Throw my water off. You don't have to rewash your pot. You just do it like this. And I have my hot water waiting. And guys, as long as you're having extra stove or extra burner or whatever, you do it like this. You don't have to use a cup. Take up your hot water. If you don't have extra hot water, you use whatever you have. You use your cold water. But because I have extra burners, I put my pot over here. So you hold it like this, guys. Don't take up the hot pot. And you do it like this. Okay, guys. Turn off your stove. See there? I'm going to boil it, so I'm going to pressure it for you to see, guys. So watch as I go, guys. Remember to subscribe, share. Look at it. I use my pressure cooker, and sometimes I use my meat tenderizer. Okay, so I'm just going to use this now. And sometimes I just put it on the stove like that and boil it. Depends on how you do it, guys. So there you goes now. Welcome back, welcome back. Thanks for watching. See, I put on my weight here. Okay, so I put to boil now. Okay, so I'm going to get my other pot ready to put my soup in because this is too small, so I'm going to put it in a bigger pot after it cooks. Okay, thanks for watching. See you around. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, guys. Here my pressure cooker. It's cooking. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm going to show you how I do my carrots and my veggies for my soup. Okay, and remember, guys, it's goat food and cow food. Okay, I already scraped these, but I'm just showing you how I scrape them. Alright, guys, scrape this one already. I'm going to scrape this for you to see now, guys. See, look at it. I just scrape them. I don't peel my carrots, I scrape them. Okay, this is how I do it, guys. And my stove, my pot is right here, making a lot of noise. Okay, I cut my top and I cut the bottom also. This is how I do it. Okay, you wash it like this. After you wash it, you scrape it off. Okay, guys, watch as I go. Remember to subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Listen to the ads, watch the ads, look at the ads. Okay, guys, my carrots here. So I'm going to cut my carrots like this. Sometimes I cut them like this. Sometimes I cut them like this, guys. And sometimes I cut them like this. So in whatever way you want to cut them, you can cut them. Okay, guys. I might cut them like this also. Look at how I'm doing it. Can you see? And carrots are very good. Good for your eyes. That's it, guys. Whatever form or way you want to cut your carrots, but I like to cut them this way. And as I say, sometimes I cut them like this. Sometimes I cut them like this. Or sometimes I cut them like this. Tell me how you cut your carrots. Like this, guys. Yeah, my pot boiling away. I use a lot of carrots. I always try to buy a lot of carrots, maybe sometimes 2 bags, sometimes a big bag. Sometimes I buy a bag like 10 pounds and it serves me. Okay, and sometimes I cut them like this for my soup. So you have this can eat. You eat it like your own food, like you're eating a banana or dumpling or whatever. Okay, guys. So as I said before, I already scrape. I'm just showing you how I scrape. Okay. Right, guys. Then I cut it like this, whatever form or way you want to cut, but I like it like this way. Then my pot boiling. And guys, prepare your pot. You can put your pot on. If you have an extra burner or extra fire, just put your pot on with your water, let it stay there eat. You don't have to wait on it for it. You just put it on if you have an extra, if only if you have an extra fire. Okay, so this is my carrot for my soup. I'm gonna peel my chocho. What do you call it in your country? We call it chocho. So I'm going to peel my chocho. I want to get a sharper knife, guys. Okay, it's alright. I use this one instead also. Change it like this. I cut this like this for my chocho. And they said this one is good for the pressure. So guys, if you have hypertension, this is also good. So I cut my chocho like this. How do you cut your chocho? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Make a comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, like, share, give me some thumbs up, please. Give me some stars. Love you guys. Okay, look at this. And as you go, guys, you clean your area. Okay, guys. So, my chocho and my carrot. Irish. I'm going to put some Irish. You guys, you put whatever you want in your soup. You don't must have to put whatever, but you put anything you have to make a soup, you make your soup. So you don't have to fussy what you don't have. Use what you have. Right. This is how I do mine. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. This is how I'm going to continue peeling my food. Okay, guys. For my cow foot and goat foot. And this is my pot here. Getting hot. So I pressured it, put in my meat here. So it's getting hot now. So watch as I go, guys. How is it going on your Saturday? Are you cooking soup today, guys? Are you cooking soup? So I cut like this. I cut like this. Cut it to the size that you want, guys. You don't have to cut it small and you don't have to cut it too big. So I cut it and I have my base here. Guys, I have my basin here. So I'm going to put some corn in it. Corn, remember I told you about the corn? I don't have to pressure my corns because they are very soft. So I wash them. I have my water here. I wash them already and put them in a clean water. And guys, remember to wash your hands. So I'm getting all my food stuff ready, guys. Look at it now, guys. Look at it. Cut whatever size you want. You can big. You can cut some big. You can cut some small. Can you see? Okay, and I have my water here. My squash now. Squash, you can use this or pumpkin. You can peel it or you can put it just like it is. Sometimes I peel, but guys, the back of this skin is very thick. So you have to be careful while peeling it. Okay, guys? And you don't have to peel all the skin. Let me put the camera a bit nearer. Okay, guys, you can see now. You cut it to whatever size you want. Okay, look at it. See, guys? You can cut it very small. I cut mine that it can boil out. As I say, my sink is on the other side. I have another piece here. I wash everything already, guys. Everything has been washed. You can put it like this. And sometimes I put the skin in just like this. You can put the pumpkin in, but I like the squash. I love the squash so much. You don't have to peel off all of it. So you can put this in, because by the time you put this in and it start to boil, it will mash out. Okay. So here's my veggie. You see? Can you see, guys? Look at it. I'm going to wash again. See, guys? I wash. See my pot there boiling? If the water is too much, you can take it out. See? See there, guys? Have some more. I have some more, guys. Put it in my soup. If it's too much, you can put away some in your refrigerator. Like this. You can use a lot of food while you can use small amount, guys. So look at my pot. I'm going to wash my spoon again, guys. Got my spoon, a wooden spoon. See my pot there, guys? Or you can see it. Let me show you my pot. Can you see it, guys? See? It's my pot, guys. I'm going to put some bananas in my soup and a piece of yam. Let's stay there and boil. Clean as you go, guys. Clean as you go. I have my cloth here and I clean as I go. Clean your stove also, because sometimes the grease is on. It can give smoke, a lot of smoke. Okay, guys. So I will put this in after because they're very soft. So that is going to stay there and boil. Can you see, guys? Okay, so I'm going to make my dough. And if it's too much, you don't have to put a lot of food like me. Okay? This is my flour and this is my cornmeal. If it's too much, okay, this is it, guys. Put according to how you want it. Okay? This is my salt, just a little salt. I'm going to wash my hands. I washed already, but I'm going to wash again. So, guys, watch as I go. Remember to share, like, comment, turn on your notification bell. So when I upload a video, you will know. Tell it a friend to tell another friend. Guys, here's my water. I'm going to make my dumplings or my flour or my dough. Look at me, guys. Keep your cooking areas very clean. So I won't use any more caramel, so I'm going to put away this. You don't have to put caramel in your flour. You can just put it plain. But I like my cornmeal, guys. So my pot is there. See my pot there? See, guys? Put a little water in it. I use my hands because they are clean. No nails. Okay, just look at me now, guys. Just tip some more water in. Some people use spoon. I don't use spoon because I wash my hands and I keep my nails very short and very clean. You can look at it. Very short, very clean. Look at it, guys. And you put in your dumpling whatever time you want to put it in. It doesn't have a what particular time to put in, before, after, or between. You put in whatever time you want. Okay? A dumpling now mash out. You put it in whatever time. Look at it, guys. Big up to Colors TV. Roland Press. That's the guy who encouraged me. He encouraged, his encouragement is very good. I follow Colors TV so many times, and that the guy that he always encourages. He said, try and try and try and never give up, never give in. Even Juna Lifestyle too, or Juna Adventure. I always follow him. Big up to Juna Lifestyle. Big up to Colors Adventure. Our Colors TV. Roland Press. I call him Roland Press. That guy, Colors, he made me smile again. He made me to, his encouragement made me to start all over again. So guys, I'm here trying. And welcome to my channel, guys. Remember to subscribe, comment, tell a friend to tell another friend that Henry Family TV is on. Tell your friend about me. Tell him I'm cooking and I'm cleaning also. And I'm washing my dishes also. Okay, so watch as I go. Watch as I go, guys. And again, I say, big up to Colors TV. I like the work that he's doing. It encourages me a lot. He encourages me a lot. Sometimes in life you want to give up, but sometimes when you go ahead and you watch some certain things, it make you start life all over again. Okay, guys. This is my dough. I'm going to put it for like 5 minutes and let it stay there and set. and I come back. I'm gonna make my dough. So look at my pot, guys. Look at it. Look at it, guys. My cow foot. Look at it, guys. Yeah. My squash. Look at it. You don't have to put a lot of food. And I use a bigger pot that it don't boil over on the stove, because sometimes it tends to boil on the stove, guys. So I'm going to cover my flour. Let it stay there. I'm going to wash my hands. Guys, my sink is over here, so I have to keep turning the camera like this. Here's my sink now. You can see, guys. Got my water here. See? Wash my hands. Keep washing the hands often, guys. If you don't have a sink, wash your hand in a basin or bucket or something, but keep washing your hands. Okay, guys? Wash your hands. All right? I'm going to peel my food now, and then I put in my dumpling. Can go in last. It's not going to mash up or nothing, but it will cook. Okay, guys? Just watch the process I go, and remember to share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. All right? So I am going to peel my yam, slice my banana. Okay? Watch me as I go, guys. As I go. Okay. I'm going to finish. Maybe the food is too much. I'm just going to use 2 fingers of banana. And look how I do my banana, guys. I do it like this. Like this. Like this. Because of this. And I'm going to cut it. I already do my washing, but I'm going to wash again. Do like this. And sometimes I peel it all off, right, guys? And then I cut it like this. I can just put it in this. Okay, let me show you how I cut it. I cut it like this. I cut it like this. Cut it like this, guys. I cut it like this. Maybe I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do one more, guys. Everything has been washed already. And you put in food whatever time of what if you want to put a dumpling in first, you can. If you want to put in your banana, anything, you do it your way. No specializing in anything. Yeah. I do 3 fingers of banana. Okay, guys, I'm going to wash again. See, guys, I wash because the sink is on that side. See my pot. Clean my hands. Dry your hands, guys. Don't let the water drop in the pot off your hands. You dry it like this. You see my pot coming up? And you see, guys, my pot. See it? Look at it, guys. So I'm going to put my banana in. See, guys, too much water is in my pot. Okay, you see it? So if your dumpling is too much, you can put away some. But don't throw your food away, guys. Don't throw it away. Okay. Maybe I just like put maybe 3 or 4 dumplings in. Okay, and the pot is boiling. So guys, I'm gonna put a little piece of white yam. I don't know what kind of yam is this. I bought it from the African store, but it tastes so good. At it, guys. Pretty white yam. What kind of yam do you eat, guys? Tell me what kind of yam you eat. Or you love. I like the white yam. I like the yellow yam. I like the negro yam. Back home in Jamaica, we have all kinds of yam. But this yam here, I love it. I bought it from the African store. Okay, so just a little piece because I have enough food in. Okay, guys. I'm going to wash it on my sink, right? Or maybe I put a little bit more yam in it. Look at my pot, guys. Look at my pot. Can you see it? And whatever time you want to put your noodle in your pot, you put it in. Nobody to tell you when. You just put your noodle in whatever time you want. Okay, guys. So I wash my yam. Put in 4 pieces of yam. Okay, guys. That's it. I'm gonna put away these for another day. Guys, don't waste your food, please. Don't waste your food. As I say, always dry your hands. I'm going to make my dough now. See, I bake it. Look at it, guys. You can just knead it like this. I'm going to show you size of my dumplings. This is my little plate, plastic plate. You wanted to make it big. Like my dumpling, do you make it small or do you make it big? For my soup. Okay, so this is my soup dumpling. For soup, I make it small. For regular, I make it a bit bigger. Okay, guys. I'll be making my dumpling. And as I say, you can have a hot water in a pot if you have an extra burner. Got it? Can you see it, right, guys? Okay, let it stay there and boil. You can just put it on the side like this. Don't let it boil on your stove. Or the salt in it destroy your burner or your stove. Maybe I make too much flour, so I'm gonna put away some. I don't have to cook all of these dumplings here. I put away some of these flours. Can you see it, guys? And I'm going to make some spinners also. Tell me how you make your soup. You can make your soup with just one meat you can use. Or you can put meats together. You can make a combination of other meats. Okay, guys, this water is too much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out some of the water. So I have another pot here. So I'm going to take out some of the water. So whenever it boils down now, I can throw it back in it. See there? Watch it, guys. You can take out some of the water like this and keep it warm. Turn on your stove and let it stay there warm. Even if you don't have a stove, just leave it there. It doesn't matter. Because at one point, sometimes you don't have a stove, guys. Right? Just have to take out some of the water. Just follow me, guys. Follow me. So if it's too much now, you take out some. If some of the food comes out of this pot, you take it back and put it here. I want to make space for my dumplings. See? And if it's too big, you can just make them a bit smaller. Big up the colors. I just love colors. Okay, look at it, guys. Juna lifestyle. Big up every time. Big up every time, guys. Thanks for watching. You turn my life, you guys, you turn my life around. Turn my life around, guys. Look at my pot. Turn my stove up all the way up. Look at it, guys. I'm going to show you how I make my spinners. Don't worry about the color of my soup, guys. It's going to have a nice color. Look at it. Look at it, guys. You see my squash? Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. My dumpling. So I make my dumpling. Roll and press. Watch it, guys. Just watch it. If you can hold all of the dumpling, I'm going to put it. And look at my spinners also. I use these small ones to make spinners like this. If you don't want to, fine. Because sometimes I don't. Sometimes I don't even have the time. See how I make my spinners? You can make it small or you can make it big. So if you want a lot of spinners, guys. So my soup today is goat foot and cow foot. So it's not ram soup, it's goat and cow. Look at it, guys. See it, guys. And if you want to mash your pumpkin like this, fine. Don't worry about the color. The color is okay. We're gonna make about 2 or 3 more. Look at it, guys. Lots of food, but doesn't mind. Guys, remember to subscribe, share, comment. Tell me how you look after your soup. Okay, guys. And make some more spinners with this. You can make your spinners big, small. Jamaica cooking. This is Jamaica cooking, okay? Right. So as you go, guys, clean up your ear. So this is okay. I have a lot of food, but what I'm going to do, if it's too much, I can take out some of the soup. Look at it, guys. See my banana here? Let's put it. So don't worry about the color, guys. Don't worry. Watch as I go, guys. My soup, watch as I go. I'm going to prepare my noodle, my chicken noodle, and this is what I use. Braised soup, spicy noodle. It is not too spicy, but it's good. Okay, so watch me as I go. These are my seasoning: ginger. I always cook with ginger and a little tip of salt because of my hypertension, and a little bit of seasoning salt. And then I'm going to put my scallion and my garlic and my thyme. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Okay, guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend. See my soup? Okay, guys. I'm going to put in my chicken noodle now and let it stay there and boil. What I do, guys, I don't throw everything in there. I mix it out and strain it. I don't like the noodle, but sometimes I put like 1 pack. So here I have 4 packs of noodle. 4 packs of chicken noodle. Ouch. So let me show you how I do it. So I put it, I throw. I just don't like these noodles. I don't like the noodle. Some people do, but I don't. I cut it like this. See my pot boiling away? You can just shift the pot when it's boiling away, guys. Like this. Get this. I'm going to use 4 chicken noodle. Hot soup, dry soup mix. Alright, guys. So I'm going to put some water in it. Some cold water. Or I can use some of the same water and put it on, pour it on. Can you see, guys? Can use some of the same water. See? So I have my strainer here. So I have to mix it up because I don't like the noodle. So look at it, guys. You don't have to strain it either. You can, but you don't have to. I do it like this, and I poured out a little of this in it, but not much. Okay. Yeah. So it's too much food. So what I'm going to do, whatever is cooked, I'm going to take it out because I have to put in the rest of my water. So you can put some more water on this. Okay, guys. So you don't have to, if you want to use a strainer and strain it in it, no problem. But I just don't like the noodle. So look at it, guys. Remember to use your hot water. See, guys, straight like this. You can turn up your pots. I have a lot of food in my pots. Okay, guys. So if it's too much food, you can take out some of the food. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for your comments also. Thank you for your presence. Thank you very much. Just watch as I go. Next time around, tune in when I'm putting in my season. Okay? Thank you, guys. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my soup pot. Welcome. Thanks for watching. That's my soup. You see the color? Look at the color. Remember, guys? See my meat there? Cow foot and goat foot. Okay, guys? So I'm going to show you now how I put my seasoning. Okay, guys, I'm just going to put 2 pieces of scallion in it. Sometimes I cut the scallion and sometimes I just put it in like this. So I can cut mine in 3. I don't know how you do yours. I cut mine like this, guys. I already wash it. Sometimes I do like this. I do like this and I throw it in. Okay, guys, I already wash my seasoning. Do like this, okay, guys. And I have a piece of onion here, so I'm going to put it in. So watch as I cut. Cut it, guys. Okay, guys. I have a piece of garlic here. You don't have to put onion in your soup, but I have it, so I said let me just use it up. Okay, guys. I have my spoon here. So this is what I do now. I put a piece of onion. You don't have to put onions, you just put it. I just use whatever I have. Okay, guys. And then you turn your pot like this. See my pot, guys? And guys, what I do, I have the thyme leaves. That's how we get it here. We can get it by this other store with the thyme, the green thyme. But what I do, I just buy a big bottle of this one. And I have rosemary. You see my rosemary? And this is my cloves. I put my cloves in this big bottle here. So I put these in my soup also. Okay? But what I do, sometimes I put it in the pot like this. But what I do, instead of picking out or taking out the leaves from the pot, I just boil it or steam it and look at it. Look at it, guys. I steam the rosemary, the thyme, and the cloves. So instead of putting the sticks or the leaves in the soup, I just do it like this and it tastes just the same. So I'm going to put this in the pot now. See? See, guys? See? Turn my fire up. So I have my cayenne pepper, my ginger, and a little tips of salt and fermenter and my all-purpose season. But I'm not sure if I'm going to put. So watch as I go what I'm going to use. Okay, guys? So as I go, you just watch. Remember to subscribe. Please, can you subscribe? Watch the ad. Tell me how you feel about my video. See my soup there, guys? See? You can make your soup thick and you can make your soup thin. It doesn't matter. Make your soup in whatever way you like it. You see it there? Okay, I have my hot water here. Okay, so I'm going to put a little cayenne pepper in. Not much, just a little. Cayenne pepper is good, but I'm just going to put a little bit of cayenne pepper. Okay, guys? A little bit of all purpose, just a little, guys. Always my ginger. Always my ginger. And some pimento. Nothing spicy. Sometime I break it and sometimes I just put it older. So I'm going to just put it older like that. Okay, guys. That's it. And salt, just a little salt. Just like that. I don't use a lot of seasoning. I just use a little seasoning. Okay, guys, I'm going to taste my pot. And guys, always remember to taste your pot. Okay, you see? Look at my pot. Look at it, guys. Look at it. And you see my pot, guys? You see my soup? Look at it, guys. My squash is all. Look at my squash. It mash right out. If you want your squash or your pumpkin not to mash out, you take it out of the pot before. Look at it, guys. Look at it. So I'm going to use a spoon. I'm going to show you how I taste my pot. Guys, remember, don't make it too salty. Don't let it too spicy. Sometimes it burns the stomach. If your stomach is good and you like spice, no problem. Okay, guys. Look at it, guys. This is how I taste my pot. And I put this one in a pot of water. Look at it, guys. Maybe you can take a little bit more salt. Just a little bit. Oh, I have my salt here. So I'm going to put a little chips of salt in my pot. Just a little bit. Okay? This is my salt. Not much. It may look a lot, but it's not much. Just a little. See my soup, guys? This is my Saturday soup. Don't let your soup boil over on the stove. And if it does, just wipe it off. Whatever fire you're using, hot plate, wood fire, sticks fire, whatever. See, guys? See my pimento here? Look at it, guys. Look at it. Just watch me. Watch my soup. Watch my pot. Okay. So this is it now. No more salt. That's all I need. And guys, I don't use margarine, butter, nothing. I don't really use it. I stopped using those things from a long time. So I just cook my natural food, natural seasoning, and that's it. If you realize here, it's just like three season I use. Cayenne pepper, ginger, and all purpose. And all purpose consists of garlic, onion, scallion, and thyme. So that's it, guys. That's it. All right. Just share it. Just like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. Okay, guys? Look at my pot. Cow foot and goat foot. Try both of them together. You can use it separate. Just goat foot alone. We call it rump soup. Or you can cook your cow foot soup. All right, guys? And if you want a combination of other meats, you can put other meat. Whatever chicken foot, whatever meat you want to put it in it, you can just put your soup. It will taste good. Okay, guys? Look at my goat foot. Look at my dumpling, my corn, my dumpling, and carrot. Make your soup in whatever you want, as long as it tastes good, but don't make it too salty. See my pot, guys? I don't put no. The only thing I put is just cayenne pepper. I don't have a full pepper. I don't have any pepper to put in it today, but I just use the cayenne pepper because I'm not really fussy. I use whatever I have. Okay, so the cayenne pepper can make it spicy too. But it goes to have a little scotch bonnet on top of it, but I don't have any. Okay, guys, so watch my channel, please. Henry Family TV. Okay, guys, I got my soup. Do you want some? Okay, guys, so watch as I go. Just tune into my channel, man. Tune in my channel. I do cooking and cleaning and washing up dishes. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. My soup here. So I'm going to show you my finished product, guys. So it's finished now. I'm going to turn off my stove. So look at it, guys. Look at it. I'm going to share my soup. Just a small amount of piece of yam, corn, guys. That's it for now. And my meat, a piece of, see, guys. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Take out your thyme, your scallion. I'm going to show you my finished products. Okay, guys, let me put some more soup in it. I can put some more soup. Okay, guys, you can use a cup to take up your soup. See it, guys? Look at it. If you can put according to what you want. Okay. Okay, guys, and this is my finished products. Okay, cow foot and goat foot. You can try it at home, and I have my spoon here. Okay, I'm going to try it. I'm going to let you taste it. Let me bring up my camera here. Okay, guys. Okay, that's okay. Can you see it now, guys? Finished product. Okay, tastes so good. Wow, the smell alone. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Tastes good. My dumpling, my corn, my cow foot, and my goat foot. Okay, you can try it at home. Tell me what you do. Okay, guys. So remember to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment to my channel. And my channel is Henry's Family TV. Love you guys. Love you guys. Take care. Take care of yourself. Have a God blessed day and have a good day. All right. Enjoy your Saturday. Okay, guys. Enjoy your Saturday. Take some rest for work for Monday morning. All right, then. And try my soup. Please, guys. Try my soup here. All right. Have a good day. Bye bye.